Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I am here with a plan with me in my catch-all planner. It is a classic size and it is the Sugar and Spice 2018 12-month planner. Okay, so this week we are planning for February 12th through February the 18th. Let's get started. As you can see, I do have, as I typically do every week, my plans indicated with some sticky notes. Let's make sure we can see and everything is in the frame. Yes, we like this. Okay, so for sticker books this week, I was going to try to use my Goal Getter Classic size because I really haven't had the opportunity to use it. I have the Planner Basics. I also took this mom book, the 1486, which is one of the first books I ever had, sticker books. And then finally the tiny book. And as you can see, I have potential stickers I can use indicated with those sticky notes there. I also found a couple of stickers that match my spread in the sticker rolls, so I'll call out those as we're using them. As far as tape, I think I'm going to use the silver, and this came from the most recent Recollections planner tape. So it's kind of like holographic, but it's a little bit foiled and iridescent and has some shiny stuff going on. So these are the colors we'll be using, like silver, pink, and kind of the mint. I like the skinny washi in these new planners with a lot of the divider lines or lines of color being thin. So I really like the way it looks. Okay. I think I'll put the silver in the middle. All right. I found little bullet points in this 1486 book, I believe. Is this where the little bullet points were? I'm certain they are. Yes. All right. So there are some phone calls that need to be made here. You know what? I'm gonna do black because I'm gonna put some black to pop this. All right, so we got some black here. Need to make some phone calls. Here, this task that I need to do. List it. Okay. I think the 1829. Work stickers that I liked. 14th is Valentine's Day. So let's put that little sticker there. I do have something that I have to take care of. We've got DMV here. I like this. Stay positive, work hard, make it happen. I don't like how this looks here. And maybe it's this green that's throwing me off. I think I'm going to go back and just put all silver. Then I might like it. I don't like how it looks. I'm gonna try it on one side and see how I like it. Yes, I totally like this better. So we're just going to just put them all in the silver. And I think that I won't feel like, I just don't like how it looks. And if I put the silver in, I will love how it looks. Oh, much better. I like it so much more. So I'll do the same thing on the other side. All right, now that I have switched out the washi, I've added this color, the pale muted minty green color there. On Friday, have a lot of activity, so I'm gonna grab this longer sticker from, of course, the Goal Getter sticker book. And we're going to go over here. And I like the black. The black is giving it a little something extra. So, adding that there. I have work stickers I was locating in the 1829 book. Some work stickers that will certainly work. This work sticker here. And we are going to pop the work sticker over here as well. And when I say work, those are the days I actually went or plan to go in the office this week. All right. On Wednesday, I am taking the day off because I have a dental appointment that's going to take several hours. And it makes no sense for me to go back to work. So we'll just put this down at the bottom here. I could have peeled up the Valentine's Day sticker, but all right. Let's see. All right, so I want to find some quote stickers to cover that area up there. So I am just flipping to see what I can see. goal getter here. So this is our spread before the pen. Okay, hopping in to write plans down really quickly. All right, so here is my completed spread after the pen. As you can see, I have all my plans on it. So I'm going to have a great week. Really like this goal getter theme and can't wait to see what I come up with next week. I always get excited from week to week. I never know what my spread is going to look like, and then when it comes together, I'm so happy. But anyway, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, how about just give me that thumbs up to tell me that you liked the video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can stay on top of when I post new videos. All right, have a great week. Ciao, Bella.